Assalamualaikum students. I'm Aksa. I'm your science teacher. I'm with your science book, The Science Factor. Today we will start the unit 2. The unit 2 is the animal world. The name of your unit is the animal world. In this unit we will learn that how animals grow, move, eat, breathe and reproduce. We will learn about the animals, that how they grow, move, eat and reproduce. First of all, today our topic is essential of survival. The topic is essentials of survival. What is the meaning of the survival? सर्वाइवल का मतलब होता है कि हमें जो ज़िंदा रहने के लिए ज़िंदा रहना, सर्वाइव करना. ऑफ एसेंशियल्स, एसेंशियल मीन ज़रूरियात ज़िंदगी जिन्हें कहा जाता है. एसेंशियल्स फॉर ऑफ सर्वाइवल का मतलब है कि ज़िंदा रहने के लिए जो हमें चीज़ें ज़रूरत होती हैं. Most of the what animals do? They do to survive. All animals need three essential things to survive. These are water, energy and oxygen. These three things are very important for animals to survive. What are these three things? Water, energy and oxygen. First of all, we will learn about the water. Water is the most precious thing on the earth. Without water, there would be no living things. The presence of the water is the main reason that life exists on earth. No large quantities of the water have been detected on any other planet, and this probably explains why not life has been detected on them either. I have read this paragraph, and in this paragraph the importance of water have explained. Water, they tell us that water is the most precious thing on the earth. पानी जो है वो बहुत ही कीमती चीज़ है. हम पानी के बगैर बिल्कुल भी ज़िंदा नहीं रह सकते. एंड पानी का मौजूद होना ही इस ज़मीन के ऊपर ज़िंदगी की होने की सबसे बड़ी वजह है. एंड नो लार्ज क्वांटिटीज ऑफ वाटर हैव बीन डिटेक्टेड ऑन एनी अदर प्लैनेट. इट्स मीन कि किसी और प्लैनेट पर भी इतने ज़्यादा पानी की मिकदार जो है वो नहीं पाई जाती जितनी ज़मीन पर है. इसीलिए यहाँ पर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट होती है. ओके, एनिमल्स कैन सर्वाइव लॉन्गर विदाउट फूड देन विदाउट वाटर. एनिमल खुराक के बगैर तो ज़्यादा देर तक ज़िंदा रह सकते हैं, लेकिन पानी के बगैर वो ज़्यादा देर तक ज़िंदा नहीं रह सकते. वाटर इज़ नीडेड फॉर सेवरल रीजन्स. Why water is important and why water is needed? Here are some reasons. All living things are mainly made up of the water. That's right, there is more than inside you than anything else. So if water is lost from your body, it's need to be replaced. Water helps move food and chemicals around your body. Water helps to cool or heat your body as the temperature around you changes. Hope you people have understand. We have studied the unit 2 and our topic is essential of survival, and we have studied about the water, that what is the water, why water is important for the animals life, and why they need it for several reasons. Hope you people have understand. Okay, look at your next page. It is the what is water made from. This is very important for your information, that some information is given here, that water is made up of two chemicals. Water is made up of two chemicals. One is hydrogen and oxygen. The chemical name for water is, this is important line, if anyone asks you that what is the chemical name for water, you can tell them that the chemical name of water is H2O. It's mean that H2O, it's mean which stands for two units of hydrogen and 1 unit of oxygen. Okay, students, today of our topic is essential of survival, and I have explained you and hope you have understand it and hope you will be studied it and